Hello friends, Erica from ericarock.com. Today I wanted to offer a transmission I'm looking at my notes, for inner strength, emotional well-being, overall feeling good, contentment, inner unity, and mental balance. And it's going to be under 10 minutes. And you might ask, how can we address all those things? I'm not doing the transmission, I'm not doing the work. Source is, and Source is like a lightning bolt, and things can shift and happen and be received at the speed of light, at God's speed, if you will. So come and join me, come and sit, get still, close your eyes, open your palms to the sky, and begin to take some nice, long, slow, deep breaths, filling your body with chi, with prana, with God particles, with the breath of life. And I ask, pray, and intend to open a portal of grace in our space. I call forth the archangels Michael, Raphael, Gabriel, and Ariel to stand at the four corners of our sacred circle, overlighting and overseeing this process. Calling forth our higher power of our heart's understanding, in whatever form or name that is for you, call that higher power forth now. And we ask this higher power to fill us. Fill us with its power, presence, and essence. And calling in the divine frequencies of inner strength, of emotional well-being, of overall good vibes, contentment, inner unity, and mental balance. We affirm that we are ready, able, willing, and open to receive these divine frequencies for our highest and greatest good, to surrender to them so they may have their way with us. Thus, we may evolve to our highest blueprint, and so now we'll drop into silence, opening to receive, recalibrate, rebalance. And we now ask, pray, and intend that these frequencies continue to shower upon us, coming into us, until the process has reached its very fullest and highest completion with ease, speed, and grace, and the most loving, highest destiny way possible. So when you're ready, gently but firmly, come fully and completely back into your body, opening your eyes when you feel you're ready. Looking around, noticing how your eyesight might be different, how colors may appear brighter, crisper, bolder, how everything might feel and be perceived as so much more alive. From doing these practices, I actually see energy around objects, energy like energetic molecules in the air. It's really interesting. Life has become so magical. So thank you for being here and connecting. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. And if you know of anyone that could benefit from this, as these times are challenging and bringing up a lot within the collective, please share it with them. I always appreciate it. So I will see you all soon. Bye for now. All my love.